Welcome to my YouTube channel where I share tips and expert advice on media, tech and business. Preparing a media production quotation for a video production project requires a lot of knowledge and understanding on what goes on during the production of a project. In this video, I'll walk you through the format of a financial proposal that I use most of the time and that you can also use while preparing your financial proposal or a quotation to your client in a corporate entity or an NGO or a government organization. If you are new on this channel, give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also, take time to visit my website on jeption.com to learn more. Now, let's get right into today's video. What you can see on the screen here is a financial proposal or a sample financial proposal to a client that I sent in the past. This is a very simple breakdown or table in which you can use. So as you can see here, you can list down the title of what you are quoting for in sections. On the far left, you can see the description, expert fee, or the description of what you're going to do, then the units that you are charging for, the quantity, then there's the unit price and total price. So in this case, in the video production field, there's the production part, there's the pre-production, there is the production. So in this case we will add, so this will be the pre-production. So let's say we'll charge for 5 hours a day. Then quantity, let's say it takes 3 days and you charge for 5 hours a day. That means in 3 days you will have charged 3 days times 5 is 15 hours. So this will be 15 hours, 15 hours, or just say 15. Then you'll come here, unit price, how much do you charge per hour for the pre-production? Let's say you charge $25 per hour. So that means you will the total price for this quotation, that will be $375. This is just to show you how you can calculate the cost of your production fee. There are many ways that you can calculate fees, but I found out that using hours or approaching the quotation from the time point of view is quite easy. Remember that this sample financial proposal template that I'm showing you on the screen here is one of the many that you can modify to fit the needs of your client. In some occasions, when you are preparing a financial proposal, some clients would recommend a way that you prepare the proposal. For example, on the screen here, you can see the client recommended that you quote in lump sum amount. You don't break down how much hours that you will spend during the production. You don't break down the amount of time that you will spend during the post production, and that is okay, because those are things that you can do aside. Like, you can do it on the side, then come up with the lump sum amount, then put it on the financial proposal. As you can see here, all these lump sum amount or these amounts are based on the description or the terms of reference that the client has outlined in their advertisement. Once you're done working on the quotation, make sure that you also include the taxes that are applicable in your country. Most of the consultations have a 5% withholding tax in Kenya, but in other countries I don't know how much the withholding tax is. And some clients also would like you to provide the service as a vetable service. So in Kenya, VAT is 16% of the total. So all this you should have or take into consideration, because I assume that you are doing a very clean business or you intend to run a very legal business that pays taxes. Also, at the end of your quotation, based on how the client has outlined how you should quote for the services, it's also good to include the reimbursements. These are the amount for air travel if you have to take an airplane to another country, for accommodation if you're traveling to a place shooting for some days before you travel back, and other related costs. So you should take into account all these costs when preparing your financial proposal. I think with this template, which I have also shared a link on the description area where you can download this template and modify for yourself. I hope you found this video helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe to this YouTube channel. Also take time to visit my website on cheptiony.com to learn more. Up until next time, bye bye and take care. My name is Cheptiony Mutai. Follow me on X at Cheptiony.